When it comes down to them time here, I'm really excited. I know one can tell, so I'm excited right now. But from when I see this, I don't know what we're gonna do in today's video. We'll be making some sorrel. This is it, 2 pounds. So yeah, 2 pounds of sorrel look a little bit though. No, it's alright, it's alright, it's alright, it's alright. Anyways, we're gonna make some sorrel. The first thing we want to do is to wash the sorrel properly. Also, I'm gonna have some water on the stove, show one of that. I'm gonna prep the stuff them for putting in the water for boil. So, make we get into that. Now guys, remember the key word is how I make my sorrel. Not how your grandma makes sorrel, not how your grandfather makes sorrel, not how your auntie makes sorrel, your sister, your cousin, your uncle, and your generation. This is how I make sorrel. Anyways, I learned some new tricks still. I don't boil my sorrel, I make it dry. Some people boil the sorrel, but me, I'm gonna make the sorrel boil. I'm going to prep the stuff to put in the water to boil. So what I normally do is to beat my ginger properly, put my cinnamon stick and make them boil. And then after, when I finish wash the sorrel, I put it in the water and then make it dry. I'm going to add some pimento seed, but I'm going to add the pimento seed when the water finish boil, because you don't want it to overpouring and take what the sorrel taste. And I just feel as if pimento seed is really strong. I know it's a cinnamon stick strong as well, but it's a nice strong for add to the sorrel. But I don't want the pimento seed to boil. I normally just make the pimento seed draw when the sorrel are draw. So enough of the chatting, let us get right into it. We're gonna wash the sorrel right now. Oh yes, you like this? So cute. By now, under that seat already though. Well, I still don't know. It depends on which video I'm going first. But yeah, I have that. And I think it's cute. I think it just add a little razzle dazzle to the kitchen. Yeah, so we're going to wash the sorrel. And remember, I'm telling you now, I'm wash it with salt. So you can go ahead and use anything where you want to use, wash it. Just in case you follow the method here, I'm going to make some salt water. I'm going to ensure that the salt dissolve in the water before we put in the petal. Because if you just have the petals there, the sorrel, if you just have them there and then pour the salt over it, more than likely the salt will get stuck in the sorrel. You don't want that. You want everything to rinse properly. And even when you do that, you still need to rinse it and rinse it until all the saltiness is gone. But yeah, don't just pour the salt over it. And if you do that, you have to just be super careful, because you don't want a salty sorrel. You can use whatever you have to rinse it. Some people that use baking soda, some people that use vinegar, but I just want to use the salt. You see how them look shiny and pretty now? Because I wash them properly. So now that the water is on the stove, we're going to prep the stuff them to boil in the water. Some ginger and some cinnamon stick. I went ahead and washed them. So now we're going to beat the ginger. Guys, if you have something better, can use beat it, go ahead and use it. But I'm just using the handle of the knife. I'm just gonna go ahead and add these to it now and allow it to boil to get out all the flavor. Then I'll add the sorrel to it to steep. It smells so good. Just turn it off and now I'm gonna add the sorrel to it. I wish you could have smelled it. We're gonna just take a little time because we don't want an accident. So I'm gonna go ahead and add the pimento seed now. Just give that a good stir. I'm going to go ahead and cover it up and leave it for 12 hours or anytime tomorrow in the afternoon. You see it start get red already? I'm just put in the water now. Okay, beautiful people, I'm done. That was super quick. That's all I did. That's all I add to my sorrel. You can go ahead and add the spices that you like to your sorrel. Some people add cinnamon leaf, some people add clove, some people add dry orange skin. What else must people add? Must people add any little thing to them sorrel? It just depends on your liking. But I went ahead and used cinnamon stick and the ginger. I'm gonna add some pimento seed, but I didn't let the pimento seed boil in the water. I just want it for draw, you know, because cinnamon pimento seed is very strong and I don't want it to overpouring in the sorrel. I know it's all like me I contradict myself because cinnamon stick is actually strong as well, but at the strong way you want to taste in your sorrel. So any flavor where you want to taste in your sorrel, add enough of that. But the funniest thing, I never used to use cinnamon stick when I boil my sorrel, you know. As somebody give me some sorrel and tell me say cinnamon leaf and the stick them put in it, and it did taste so good. You could even taste that it was cinnamon stick. It did just have a nice taste, and from that I just start to make my sorrel like that. I think this is the second time making sorrel on camera, but in total I think I make it about 4 or 5 times because it's a really nice drink. It's really good. Somebody did tell me say it's good for your digestive system as well, you know. I'm not sure, don't hold me to that. Don't hold me to that, but my hair say it's nutritious. It adds something to your health, like it help with something. So it's a really nice drink. I'm gonna give it about 12 hours just to draw, you know, and get out all of them flavor. Them want everything to just infuse together. I'm not gonna put no rice grain in it. I should think you only add rice grain when you preserve it. Don't hold me to that. Or me not think kind of flavor it add. Me think I preserve it. I think people used to use it when they never did I put it on the fridge, or me don't know. But me not gonna add no rice grain because me know say it's soon done. Me know it's soon done. I love sorrel. Jason loves sorrel. The other day me drink sorrel right around the clock till me say no man, no more sorrel. I'm tired of that now. Me don't want no more. But sorrel is a thing where you can't really get tired of. This minute you feel like you don't want it, but just take a little sip. If you take a little sip, you will drink a whole glass. So that is it. The kitchen smells really good from the ginger and the cinnamon stick where they are boiling in the water. Some people boil them sorrel. I don't boil my sorrel. I just allow it to steep or to draw, as you guys would call it. So yeah, I'm so happy. I just can't wait until a time for just eat and drink and, you know, just enjoy ourselves. I love Christmas time. I love the togetherness of it. I love so everybody just, you know, cook and eat and laugh and enjoy themselves. I just love it. So whenever it's Christmas time, it makes me feel bubbly and make me just want to do all of the nice things them with it, you know, make Christmas be Christmas. So yeah, that's about it. I want to make my green season. Me, I wonder if I just go ahead and make it another video here, or just call this video a day. What do you think? Because this is really just my sorrel making video. I'm going to look on it one last time. I'm going to look on it. It smells really good. Wish I could have smelled it. Alright, now leave it alone. Anyways, the only thing I worry about if I add too much ginger or too little ginger, and then you can't really never know when it comes down to ginger, because I buy some ginger enough time and it not even tastes strong. No matter how much I put, it just tastes weak and blah. But I hope say everything good. I rather to add too little than too much. That's how I'm sure about, because when ginger too much, spoil man, it spoil. I know say sorry must taste a ginger, you know, but not for too much man till they choke. Nope. What else do you want for say too now? Oh, before anybody comments it in the comment section, I'm going to be the first to say it. This is not a proper tutorial. I eyeball every single thing. I can't tell you how much water we use for 2 pounds of sorrel. The only thing I can tell you now is that the sorrel is £2 and because I saw me buy it and I saw it way out. £2 of sorrel. Just do what you do until your ancestor them say, yeah, that is it. That's it. And that me do. Me don't know what for telling them. Me don't know for telling them say, oh, 10 cup of water for £2 of sorrel. No. Me don't know. Probably that's why I don't do so much of cooking videos, because everybody always asks for the recipe and me can't tell you what I use, but me can't tell you how much me use, because me normally taste and go back in and say, this could I take piece of scallion. But me don't know, me don't measure nothing, me just eyeball and just. And when you're in the kitchen for over a long period of time, like you've been doing your thing in the kitchen, you just know certain things. Like now, if me go make some rice, me can't just put in some salt and know if to stop shake and know say, okay, that's enough. So I don't know. But yeah, that is that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I can't wait for showing them my Christmas tree. I don't probably want to see what it's so beautiful, guys. It's pretty. To me, it's pretty, but when I see it, in the comments, let me know. I wanna probably feel like me late with my Christmas tree, but my Christmas tree been up, but guys, at the editing, and when the video them get for edit, okay. But yeah. It's beginning. Why every time I go sing that song, the word that always flap me, beginning. It's beginning. Alright, don't sing it. It's beginning to look a lot. So you read that, tell me so enough to sing then. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas.